Hello, my name is Brian Ropp and I'm here at the Tampa RV Show. We have a very exciting announcement. We have a new partnership, new/old partnership. We're going to be offering air ride suspension on our coaches. This is very exciting, and I say old partnership because Utility Body Works has been installing the Kelderman air ride systems on their trucks for 15 years now. And it's just a new development to be able to offer it on our RVs. So we're going to actually take and replace your subframe with their entire system. And I'll kind of break down some of those components with you as we work through. And then as we get it finished, done, we'll be posting videos about functionality and show you the smoothness of this ride. So this is kind of an example of the component that's going to be installed on each individual wheel. So this is physically upside down. You can see you've got a double airbag here. So this system here is going to be attached to that subframe that is going underneath your I-beam. So they're going to actually take, weld on a jig. Everything they do is very precision there at Kelderman, and that will be what we weld to our frame. So we talked about the individual piece. I will show you what it looks like as a whole. It's going to have two air tanks, compressor tanks, and the beauty of this system is that we're going to pair this with a Dexter Torflex independent suspension axles. So should you ever have any failure, issue, hiccup when you're on the road, you can just go dump all your air and you can actually work off of the Dexter Torflex. So you'll never be stranded with this air ride suspension. It's going to completely smooth out. Kelderman's of the opinion probably about 75% of your shock is going to be taken by these airbags. So we're extremely excited about this, and I'm sure you are as well. We're going to be the only factory installed air ride suspension on the market. So we are happy to answer any questions that you may have. Again, we'll be posting more videos as we take this trip with Kelderman. And again, give us a call if you have any questions. We're happy to help. Thank you.